Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another video. I know I've been promising you guys content ever since African Traveler shouted me out in that Kiambu video. I've been promising content. I've promised and promised, but I've been busy because I'm editing the content you watch over at Africa Traveler's channel, and I don't have much time to edit my own content, but I'm enjoying the process. So today I have a video for you guys. We're in Ngong. As you can see, I don't know whether it's possible for you guys to see in the background over there. Those are the wind turbines in Ngong Hills. Yeah. So today I'm going to give you a small video of Ngong. We're taking a small trip to the new Ngong Suswa Road, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. This road is new and it's not yet marked and it's not yet fully finished. So I hope you guys will enjoy. If you like this content, kindly like, share, subscribe. I insist on that like button. Make sure you hit that like button. And yeah, share the content, subscribe. So we're going ahead, taking more content. Lord, the drone shots I have for you today. Wow. I've tried taking some drone shots of the Ngong Hills, but the wind velocity there up there is very high. And I couldn't take cinematic footage of the place. But I think I did good. I can't wait for you guys to see it. So stick around, watch this video to the end. And yeah, I'm with African Traveler today, but he's way behind there. He's coming, he's following me slowly. So yeah, watch the video to the end. I'll see you guys on the other video, yeah? Cheers! So guys, African Traveler is here. Today he's the drone pilot and light bulb. Yeah, guys. So guys, I would tell guys what they should expect on my channel today.
Awesome. Some amazing drives. Some awesome. I hope you'll steal the drone shots and just paste in the video. You guys gonna see some spectacular views of Kenya.
Landscapes, and the best landscapes you've ever seen. Wow, this place, who knew it was this beautiful?
Who knew?
Wow.
Who knew? Guys, you've gotta watch. You've gotta watch to the end. You've gotta subscribe. You've gotta like and share for you to see such in future.
Yeah, guys. So make sure you like and subscribe. Subscribe to Lightbulb Moments YouTube channel.
Yeah.
And go back to African Traveler's channel too and subscribe. Also, make sure you hit that like button. That's the most important piece of information we say here.
Yeah.
So we'll see you guys on the other side. Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye.
So hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, kindly like, share and subscribe. If you've been here, welcome again. This is another very good, interesting aerial footage video. So we took a trip down to the Ngong Suswa Road. It is like a bypass from Ngong to the Maimahiu Connect. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this road while you enjoy watching the beautiful aerial footage that we took while we were there. So sit back, relax, enjoy yourself. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe while you're at it. Cheers, let's get into it. The completion of the first ever privately funded road project in Kenya, undertaken in Kajiado County, has resulted in an economic windfall for the local residents. At least 5 new towns have cropped up along the freshly tarmac road over the last year. Isara and Eserengei town have now been transformed into trade hubs, with agribusiness flourishing due to the ease of access to the farms in the area. The 230-kilometer Isara Imaroro, Kajiado, Isinya, Kiserian, Ngong Suswa Road estimated to have cost about 11 billion Kenya shillings, has been described as a dream come true by the locals who have witnessed the doubling of their land value in just under a year. Construction of the road, which cuts across all the 5 constituencies in Kajiado County, started in the early years of the Jubilee administration and was split into 3 stretches, each with its own contractor. The road is under the Kenyan Rural Roads Authority low volume seal road category, which was created following a presidential directive to build 10,000 kilometers of roads countrywide. Kajiado Governor Joseph Olelenku recently explained that the new road cuts across horticultural belts in SLNK and Isinya and opens the area to huge food markets in the country's satellite towns of Kitengela, Isinya, Kiserian, Ngong, and Ongata Rongai. The annuity financing model used in the road projects allowed private contractors to design, build, and maintain public roads using their own resources, with the treasury reimbursing lenders at a uniform rate for cash advance for the projects. The annuity model also reduces Kenyans' reliance on foreign loans to fund projects, thereby easing public debt. The Treasury has lined up 80 projects worth 1.1 trillion Kenyan shillings to be executed via the Public-Private Partnership (PPP) model, cutting across sectors, with the bulk in transport and infrastructure, energy, health, and education. So from the looks of things, this Ngong Suswa Road is taking shape, and it will provide an alternative route to the Maimahiu escarpment road once it is complete. So after seeing all this, I'd like you to give me some feedback. Tell me how you feel about this road. Does it look like it's in the standard of where Kenyans should be at now? And what do you feel about it? Do you feel that it's adding up to the development of Kenyan roads and infrastructure? Well, everybody has an opinion. Tell me down in the comments how you feel about it. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Once again, if you're new here, welcome. If you've been about here, stay loyal, man. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.
Oh.